Our banana fight went too far. It's raining bananas! Hallelujah! Good morning! Wake up! We have a banana challenge for you! The first task is a banana prank. Choose a friend to prank and go! Holly is working on a sweet prank in the kitchen. Bananas and whipped cream! We have banana cake on the menu! Fill a detachable baking mold with bananas. Whip 20 ounces of cream with a mixer. Add 7 ounces of gelatin dissolved in water. Carefully fold it in so the cream doesn't deflate. Add it to the bananas in the mold. Wait for the cream to harden and take the cake out of the mold. Coat it with melted chocolate glaze. Decorate with cream and sprinkles. Great! My delicious cake is done! And it's waiting for Ben! What is this beautiful dessert? This cake is mine! I need the biggest knife! Come to Papa! What is this filling? Banana peel? Ew! That's not edible! Holly is unstoppable! The next prank is for June! Here, have a banana! Shape light clay into a banana. Coat it with a few layers of acrylic polish. Let it dry. This banana stretches out like cheese! Ew! Holly, that's not good at all! Give me a real banana instead! Holly won't get away with her banana jokes! She thinks she won! No way! Time for banana revenge! Let's set up a slippery peel trap! She'll definitely fall soon! No matter where you go, slippery banana peels are everywhere! Oh yeah! Holly, get a taste of your own banana medicine! Guys, take out your knives! The next round is a cooking battle! Holly is a real fruit ninja! She even knows how to make sushi out of a banana! Mix 4.5 ounces of melted white chocolate glaze with 2 ounces of shredded coconut. Cover a sushi mat with plastic wrap and put the coconut mix on it. Dip pieces of banana in melted chocolate. Make an even layer. Put the glazed bananas on the mat with the coconut layer. Wrap up the mat. Shape a sushi roll. Sprinkle the sushi roll with red shredded coconut before the glaze hardens. Wait for it to set, then cut it. Serve it with chocolate sauce and colored icing. Our banana sushi rolls are ready! Bon appetit! June is an experienced banana chef. She mixes all the ingredients together to get banana nuggets. Process cornflakes to get crumbs. Whip 1 egg. Cut a banana into pieces. Dip a piece of banana in the egg, then cover it in crumbs. Fry the banana in sunflower oil. Put it on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Serve the ready banana nuggets with raspberry jam. Tasty hot nuggets are ready! This is delicious! Wanna try? Ben almost slept through his task. Wake up! You are gonna miss the challenge! Ben can't find anything in this kitchen! Nothing! Nothing! Nothing again! What's that? A frozen banana? What do I do with it? Banana ice cream, of course! Dip a frozen banana in melted chocolate and decorate it with sprinkles. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a chocolate glazed banana popsicle with sprinkles. No one can resist this amazing dessert. What could be better than banana ice cream? Only banana ice cream with a new challenge. Let's take banana pictures. June wants to dive into bananas. Fill a little pool with bananas and take a very yummy pic. You'll definitely get 1 million likes. Polly came up with a new sport, banana rowing. She won't get far. At least the pictures turn out very unique. Ben didn't have to think long. I can just turn myself into a banana. Fasten a banana in one spot and move back. Now Ben has a banana instead of a body. What was that? A bird? A dragonfly? Or am I just hallucinating? No, it's a new task. A fashion banana. This girl takes this task seriously. Holly will upgrade her shoes. Wrap the heels of shoes in foil. Shape a banana piece. Wrap the foil heel in yellow foam paper. Color the base with black acrylic paint. Glue the banana heel to the shoe heel. We'll make a stylish accessory to match the shoes. Fanny packs are super trendy these days. Cut banana parts out of thick yellow foam paper. Hot glue the bottom and the sides. Make a cut in the top piece. And glue a yellow zipper into it. Attach the top part to the bag. Put foam paper loops in the ends of a chain. Attach the loops to the sides of the banana to make a handle. Cover the tips of the banana with black foam paper. Holly will win this contest! Or will it be June? She sews a new stylish Dolce & Banana item. Cut 4 petal-shaped pieces on one side of a piece of fabric. Sew on the side, and make a drawstring on the edge of each petal. Put in a wire, and put elastic ribbon through the belt. Bend the wire in the petals to lift the edges upwards. Done! It worked! What will Ben make? He doesn't know a lot about fashion. Oh, this rag is fine! Our judges are thoroughly grading all the pieces. Meet the banana set made by Polly. A real banana-flavored belt bag. It's compact and fresh, and her stylish banana heels match the bag. The judges like Polly's creative ideas. June surprises everyone with her banana skirt. How elegant! Bananas make you look slimmer. What a wonderful banana outfit! Oh, not bad, not bad! The banana skirt won the hearts of our banana judges. And here's Ben's outfit. Banana armor for conquering the concrete jungles. Whoa! You'd fit right in on the planet of the apes, Ben! The judges love this amount of bananas, which means this is a hands-down victory. Banana explosion! And a fresh supply of bananas is filling up your fridge. Did you like our banana challenge? Then comment below which task you'd copy at home. A banana prank? A banana photo shoot? Or a banana fashion show? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious challenges from Troom.